Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the Muse symbol on your Google Docs mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the Muse symbol in Google Docs mobile, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, just open this document and just going to click on this edit option here. Now you just need to insert the Muse symbol, so you just need to use your Google keyboard. So because there is no option on the plus symbol, while clicking the plus symbol there is no insert symbol option on your Google Docs mobile. So you just want to click this button, then you just need to click this button again. So here you just want to long press on the pi symbol, this pi symbol, which will have a pop-up like this, and you can just insert the Muse symbol. So just long press on the pi symbol, you can just insert Muse symbol like this, how many times that you want, and you just can copy and paste wherever that you want to place this symbol. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.